Without a doubt, I would recommend Hestia Homes. And in fact, if we have any other short-term needs, we would definitely start with Hestia just because we've been so impressed with everything from client care and communication to the quality of the home that we're staying in. I'm Heather.
And I'm Joel.
We needed a Hestia home because we are unfortunately displaced from our house because of an accident. And so while we're waiting for insurance to get settled and restoration process, we needed to find a place where my husband and I, as well as my mother-in-law, his mother, she lives with us as well. So we needed a place to stay that could be comfortable while we had to be out of our home.
Goes a little beyond with the Hestia property. We found, just the personal touches, the quick turnaround on things, the clear communication, open communication has always been something that we've appreciated from Hestia.
So when I knew we had to be out of our home and I wanted to make sure that, my mother-in-law was comfortable and that we were comfortable. So I was really looking for something that would be nicer. As nice as our home, but we actually lucked out and this place is nicer. We needed multiple bathrooms. There were some en-suites. The kitchen has been a dream. It's equipped with everything we need, with a large island. We've got laundry facilities. We've
loved having a few people over to entertain on the rooftop patio. It's just been a great space for entertaining and just cooking, and it's been wonderful. The elevator has been a godsend because my mother lives with us. She's disabled, has limited mobility, and so it was very important for us to find a place that was safe, a place that was comfortable, and having something where she can go between floors instead of being trapped on one floor is tremendous. She is able to join our family downstairs at the table. She's able to go up and enjoy the rooftop, and then from a personal standpoint, being able to go between floors with laundry or groceries or what have you has just been very, very helpful. It's been wonderful having that elevator.
It was important for us to find something where our fur baby could go with us, because to us, she's part of the family. And I know my mother-in-law, that was the first thing when she knew we had to move out of our home. She said, is Lily going with us? So it was really important for us to find a pet-friendly home. And a lot of times pet-friendly homes are not always nice quality. But we were really excited to find a nice quality place like that Hestia offered that allowed us to bring our fur baby with us.
Oh, not only was it immaculately clean when we showed up, it's been immaculately cleaned twice since. It's just been a great experience, and I think from top down, everybody that we've spoken with has been just a delight to work with, and has been very communicative, very welcoming and warm. And we found that, certainly the property itself is well taken care of. With all those things, there's no way we wouldn't start with Hestia and recommend Hestia to everyone that we know that needs a property to serve their short-term needs.